Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned into Voyage Flower. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I do soap making videos and small business entrepreneur series. So if you like those kind of videos, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can join the crew, the Voyager crew. And yeah, so today I'm going to be unboxing. You see my box over there? I'm going to be unboxing some few things that I got from Amazon for my soap business. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me and we'll see what I got. So stay tuned if you want to watch that. And also if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But yeah, that'll be y'all. And yeah, let's get to the unboxing. All right guys, so this is the box that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. They have an easy open tape. I don't have a box cutter, but I should probably get one pretty soon. And there it is, it's open. Ooh. You guys could be the first one to see what's inside. Oh, look at those goodies. Alright. Now put this side. Okay, so the first thing I got was this French green clay. I'm planning on making a French green clay soap. He has all the information in the back. Alright, you can make face mask and you can make face scrubs with these. But I'm gonna use it for soap. So yeah, this is the French pink clay. I have French green clay, but French pink clay. That's the first thing I got. And I also bought these new molds. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're soap molds. I'm going to be making aloe vera soap with these molds. Well, when I saw it on Amazon, I thought they were connected, you know. I thought they were like, I didn't know they were individual like this. I thought they were like this and not just individual. So, but that's okay. We can still work with this. Yeah, so I got these cool molds. I can't wait to show you guys what I use them for. Well, I'm gonna use them for soaps, but they have this little thing in the back, but I love them, so can't wait to use these molds for my soap. And then these, I got 4 of them, so they all make each color makes 8 bars. So yeah, these are gonna be my aloe vera soap, and any soap that has like scrub or exfoliation to it, because these little thing in the back are supposed to like massage your face or your body while you use it. So yeah, I also got 2 new molds. I got 2 new soap molds. That's about it. The other stuff are just bubbles. I'm actually gonna save this and use it for my soap packaging. That's what I do with them. Yeah, I got 2 new soap molds. They're 42 ounce. Probably by the same company that I got the first ones from. They don't have the logo on it, but I'll show you the other two that I have. So I have these other two molds, and they're like literally the same size. So yeah, now I got 4 of them, which is great because I get 10 bars from each, so that's 40 soaps, 40 bars of soaps, and I can make multiple different ones. Yeah, so I got these 4 molds, and then, well, not the 4, but the 2 molds, and then these molds, and then my French pink clay. I'm gonna make a rose soap using French pink clay. So yeah, that's all I got, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye. I hope you have a great day.